Hello, I'm Abdul Fattah Munir. In this section of my QuickBooks training, I want to show us how to apply discount you receive from your vendor or your supplier. So there are two ways you can handle this in QuickBooks. You can either do it manually or you apply it automatically. Okay. So first thing first, let's go create a bill and we select a vendor from here, from the vendor name. So let's say subcontractor. Then you include the date here, the reference number of the bill you receive, that is the invoice. Let's just say 11111. Then the amount here will automatically comes up once you fill this. Okay, now this is where you come to. We have to select a discount here. Okay, now from here we have lots of discounts, so I'm going to use 5% discount. Okay, so once I click on 5% discount, I go ahead if it is item or expenses. So let me say it's clearing of sites. So I hire these people to clear my site, a new site I want to develop a building on. Okay, so let's say it's 150,000. Remember it's 5%. Okay, now you see the amount has come automatically. Then you can include the memo to describe what that declaration of the site, more proper description. Okay, so once you are done with this, I can go ahead then save and close. Okay, now you have it saved now. Then let's go to reports and check our vendor and payable. Then aging summary, you see we have 300,000. Let's double click on that. We have two different kind of bill here. We have that of 150 and okay, let me go back. Let me double click on this so that it will be different. Let's have it as 170. 170. So save and close. Now okay, I have to recalculate from here. Okay, save and close. Then from here you see now that we have two different amounts. Okay, so I want to see specifically the 170. Okay, this is the bill and you can see the invoice number. Okay, now you can easily go here, vendor, then pay bills from here, or even right from this home here, this place, you can go ahead and pay bill here, or then go back home here or pay bill here. Okay, so let me click on pay bills. So once I go ahead, I select this invoice that I want to pay, this invoice. Okay, now once I select that, it's showing me 170, but then there is set discounts. Okay, now since it is manual, I'll have to select, I'll to click on set discount. Then I'll select the account I want it to go to. So okay, I already have it here as discount received. Then you see once I click on that, the discount that will be used is 85, which amount to pay will now be 161,500. So I'll go ahead and click on done. So once I click on done, you see now it has adjusted. This is manually, I'm applying it manually. Okay, then you select the bank you are receiving, you are using to pay that money. Okay, then you select the date of the payment here. Then you can still go through the bill to check the bill properly from this angle. What method are you making this payment? Is it check or credit card? Okay, I select check. Is it to be printed or you want to assign check number? You also do this. Okay, whichever. If it is assign check number, after clicking on pay selected bills, you assign the check number here. So let's say 2245. Okay, and or you can let QuickBooks assign the check number for you. I'll click on OK, then save anyway. So now I have made the payment. I paid 161,500 instead of 170,000. Now if you want QuickBooks to apply this discount automatically, you go to edit, go to preference, on bills go to company preference and you click on automatically use discount. Then you select that discount received income account. Then let's click on OK. Then before we go ahead, let's go to the report and check profit and loss to see the transaction. Now we paid 170 for clearing of sites. Then there is a discount of 85. So if you net it off, of course, it's 161,500. And if you go to the vendor now, let's see if we are still holding the vendor because we paid less. Of course, the 150 that is there is the former 150 that was there, so the 170 is no longer there. So now let's go to create another bill, and this time around new bill. So select the same subcontractor, we go to clearing, then in this case, okay, so we have this list here. This one here says there should be 1% discount if you pay this bill within 10 days, though the bill will be due in 30 days. So that's the description of that. Then that's okay. So but then let's just use 5% discount. Just discount. You see, the discount date is the same date as the date of the bill. Okay. Let's use 200,000. Then you put your description, the bill number. Okay. Then you go ahead and save and close. Now, or you can just go ahead and pay bill anyway from that angle. Okay, so you refresh. Now you see there is a fresh tree. Okay, double click, you have 200,000 reflecting here. Okay, so let's go ahead and pay through this place, pay bills. Remember, it's 200,000 we want to pay. This 200,000, I'm going to click on that. Now you see it will automatically apply the 5% discount, leaving us with 190,000. So here I don't have to go click set discount. It will automatically, so that I don't escape any discounts. I don't by mistake escape. It's better you just leave it and apply. But if you think you want to apply it manually, you can check it off from the edit there. So once you go ahead and pay selected bill, okay, because it's on check, I'll write it to be printed, then pay selected bill, then everything is paid off. So we can refresh and see if you still have any. So we still are left with the 150 that was there before. Then if you go to report company financial profit and loss, then you have a discount received total of 18,500. If you double click on it, you see 85 and 10,000. Then you see, go to the clearing site, you see the two different amount, the 170 and the 200. With these, I believe we now know how to apply discounts received from our supplier in order to reduce the amount we are supposed to pay to that supplier. So it's a feature that we need to work with, so that we don't lose the opportunity that is attached to the discount. Please like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, and turn on your notification. See you guys in my next clip. Have a nice day and bye.